Hello everybody, so in this video I will be showing you how to get your potatoes to bloom like this and the pot method. So this is the pot method. I started potatoes at the very bottom, a little bit of dirt, a little bit of soil, and as more leaves started coming in, I covered everything in soil to the top. And now after this they're just continuing to grow, but they'll soon dry out and the insides there'll be a lot of potatoes. So for example, in this pot I have been neglectful, a little lazy, and I haven't filled it up with soil. So that's what I'll be doing today. So what you guys want to do is you get like any kind of pot or anything with holes, at least some holes for the water. And then what I did was I placed the potatoes at the very bottom and then a little bit of soil, and as they started growing I put more and more soil. And I was supposed to fill it up with soil already by now to the top since the leaves are already up here, but I've been neglectful, busy, lazy. So it's okay if you guys are lazy every now and then, because there's a lot to do sometimes in the gardens. But when you have free time, make sure to do the tasks that you need to do. So right now I'll fill this with soil all the way like how that one is, and then potatoes should come like in like 2 more months, a month. Okay, so I am at one of my soil holes, and basically for those that don't know, I throw my food scraps or like unfinished compost in holes in the ground like so, and while I'm doing other stuff, it's composting all the time. So right now I had just went through all the soil. This is stuff that's still not finished composting, so it needs more time to compost. But this is good soil that came from the ground, that comes from all the food scraps that I use and everything. And now I could use it for my potatoes. So it's as simple as just filling everything up with the soil. I could just dump it in for easy. Alright, so our soil is finished. The pot is filled to the top, and now these leaves will continue to grow, and then they'll spread like on the sides, on the outside of the pot. And once they dry up, that means that the potatoes in here now are all ready, and they would have all grown in this space. So yeah, if you have potatoes in pots, remember to fill up the soil at the very top.